Hey guys, so in September last year, Xiaomi unveiled the Civi smartphone in China. The smartphone was specially designed for females and it was one of the best looking smartphones with some premium specs. The company launched Civi 1S in the month of April this year with some upgraded specs. And now its true successor is in the works, and according to a new report, we might see the arrival of the Xiaomi Civi 2 by the end of this month. Xiaomiui has discovered the codename for the Civi 2 in MIUI internal software. It strongly indicates that Xiaomi is planning to launch the Civi 2 by the end of this month, considering that the MIUI 13 build for the Xiaomi Civi 2 is ready for a stable release once it is officially launched in the market. Like its predecessor models, the Xiaomi Civi 2 will offer some premium specs. One of them is the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 SoC that will replace the Snapdragon 778G Plus found on the Civi 1S. As for its other specs, the device could feature a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate. The display will also support Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and an under-display fingerprint scanner. While there is no information about its cameras, but we can expect better rear and selfie camera. The battery size also remains unknown, but we can expect at least a 5000 mAh battery. The device was recently certified by China's 3C authority with 67-watt fast charging support. Since this smartphone is specially designed for females, Xiaomi could introduce its MIUI vlog mode with the Xiaomi Civi 2. This new vlog mode allows for better color reproduction and more customization filters for videos shot on Xiaomi phones with enhancements done on the software side. According to recent reports, the device will not be released outside of China and it could instead be rebranded as the Xiaomi 12 Lite 5G NE or Xiaomi 13 Lite in global markets. So that is all for this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.